Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluctus channel. Sorry, I mean Sang General Military channel. This is what the US and NATO have always tried to avoid. The latest advanced military technology from Russia has sent shockwaves throughout the world. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik, a new Russian combat drone, has surprised the world. In recent years, military technology has advanced rapidly and inter-country competition has become increasingly fierce. However, Okhotnik has answered this challenge with highly advanced capabilities, even enough to make the US and NATO tremble. Okhotnik is a new generation of combat drone designed for reconnaissance and attack, and equipped with unique stealth technology. This drone can be controlled separately by an operator or operate autonomously using its navigation system. This breakthrough allows Okhotnik to conduct longer and farther missions without human pilots. Additionally, Okhotnik also has better artificial intelligence capabilities. This drone is equipped with advanced optical and electro-optical sensors, including infrared cameras and radar, allowing it to detect targets at night or in bad weather conditions. The speed of Okhotnik is also very impressive, able to fly up to 1,000 km per hour and reach an altitude of up to 13,000 meters. With these abilities, the US and NATO are deeply concerned about being overtaken in military technology, even by unexpected threats. Okhotnik is capable of changing the dynamics of future aerial battles, forcing the US and NATO to pay more attention to the development of their military technology. The presence of this Russian combat drone is driving competition in technology and military advancement, leading to a more intense military race in the future. This raises a big question, whether the US and NATO will be able to keep up with Okhotnik's capabilities? Only time will tell. Well, if you have additional information or ideas for new videos, please write them down in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.